Hi, my name is James.
And my name is Monica, and we live here in La Mirada.
We realized that we did have a leak from a dishwasher that was leaking, caused some damage. And once we got the damage mitigated, the decision to upgrade and modernize and repair was the next step. And Millennium was our go-to for that. When we looked at a few different alternatives, we saw that Millennium had the best vision for us. The drawings and the videos that Eddie presented to us just created a beautiful setting, and we were really happy that we selected him and went with him.
And knew that he was able to capture exactly what we wanted. When we talked about the design that we were looking for, he knew exactly what to bring to the table.
The process itself was amazing. His workers were on time, they were professional, they answered all of our questions, they were very clean and neat.
Absolutely, the experience was great, and he did also offer suggestions on things that we weren't even considering. Okay, so the staircase we weren't sure about doing, but once Eddie showed us some renderings of the staircase with the flooring, how it all tied in together, we knew we had to do it. And this brings us around into our dining room, where Eddie also recommended the beautiful lighting that you see here, this fixture, and it brings together the stair rail together with the lighting here. And of course the flooring goes all the way through the entire first floor. It's very clean. Having two daughters, having a dog is very easy to work with, easy to clean, easy to maintain. And this brings me to my favorite room in the house, our kitchen. I love to entertain here. This is a material called Decton, and it's a great countertop material that can be used indoor and outdoor. You can cut on it, you can put hot pots directly on the material, which is really ideal for a family setting. Pendant lighting, and as you can see, we have the iron to bring everything together. We enjoy being in the space. We have our family here and our friends, and we love to entertain, as you can see with the opening of our sliding glass door. We also really enjoyed this dry bar that Eddie recommended. I gave him a few ideas, and this is a design that he came up with, and I love it. And then also another detail that Eddie recommended we add is the recessed lighting. We did not have that before. We had a chandelier that was a little dated. Everything that Eddie recommended was exactly what we needed, but we didn't even know it. So he definitely brought to us a solution that worked magic for our family.
Everyone who comes over just loves the home, the way it flows, the openness of it. It's really changed the way that we have our friends and family over, the way we entertain. We enjoy that.
Absolutely. I enjoy cooking now. I have a beautiful view, and it's just fun.
Eddie, just want to say thank you very much for all that you did. You and your team at Millennium really came through. We love the home. We love everything that you did for us, and we're just super happy. Our lives are improved with this work. Thank you.
Agree 100%, Eddie. We love you, and thank you for the wonderful job you did and the team of employees that you have working for you. They're amazing. Bye.